Hey guys, this is Hetu and welcome back to etlqalabs. In this session, we will look at SQL interview queries related to case statement. Okay, so guys, case statement is basically very powerful statement, and interviewer will definitely like to check whether you are comfortable with writing the solving some problem statement related to case statement. Okay, so this is something not very basic, but I would not say even it's advanced, right? So it is somewhere between the intermediate level of understanding is needed to solve this kind of questions. Okay, so guys, once you are able to solve, or you are able to answer the basic questions or basic queries related to SQL, then interviewer would like to definitely check whether you are comfortable with case statement and other stuff or not, right? So that's the reason it is very important, and I was thinking that I should cover this case statement since long, but somehow I was not able to get the time for for this session. But I thought that it is very important because many of you are actually appearing for the interviews right nowadays, and I thought that you know I will cover this so that it will be helpful for you. And guys, don't worry about this looking at this big statement that I have written here. It is very simple. Okay, so I will try to explain you each and every bit, and in very easy language so that you will be able to understand. So let's start then, guys. Okay. So first thing is first statement. I have actually covered three problem statement, and then you know I think these are three statements, and these are enough, I think, to understand the case statement. Okay. So guys, first problem statement is it is related to both. Okay, this is related to DDL plus DML. Okay, I'll tell you why it is. So first of all, let's read the problem statement and try to solve it. So assume we have a table called employee having column like employee number, employee name, salary, and so on. Okay. Now this is something already there. Okay. Now I would like to add an extra column named INC salary, increased salary, and update this column as per HR decision. Okay. So they would like to add an extra column, which means it is DDL, right? Because we are actually changing the structure of the table, right? So that's the reason it is DDL also, and update this particular column. So whatever column they are adding, extra column that are adding, they want to update this column as per this rule, okay? Because HR want to update all this particular column, extra newly created column based on this conditions, okay? So that's why updating, which means DML statement, okay? So that's why this is DDL and DML. Hope you are able to follow it, right? So if you still are facing some problem, I have already created very detailed video on DDL, DML, DQL, DCL, all those statements. Please go and watch. I think you will be able to understand everything around there. Okay. So now, guys, what we will do is we will attempt this problem in two process. Okay, I mean two steps. First thing, let's try this. So I would like to add an extra column INC, increase salary. Okay, so let me go there. First we will add the column, and then after that update. Okay, let me show you what is the column that I have. So I have employee table. I have these columns. Okay, now I want one extra column called INC salary, right? I would like to add an extra column. So now let's add it. So I will use the alter statement, alter table, employee, add, I would say add INC underscore salary, and guys, I will say this number. Okay. Now let's see if it is added. Yes, it is added. This is the new column, right? That is added. Now I would like to update. Now second thing, guys, HR has asked, that HR would like to update this particular column. So we have to write a query how to update this, okay? This particular table, okay? So if salary is less than 20,000, increase the salary by 30%. If salary is between 20,000 and 50,000, inclusive, right? Inclusive 20,000, inclusive 50,000, then increase the salary by 20%. If salary is more than 50,000, then increase the salary by 10%, right? And they want to update this particular inc underscore salary, this newly created column has to updated with this particular values, okay, salary values. Now what we will do is we will try to run the update statement, guys. Okay, so here for example, if I show you, so here let's say it is 8,000, right? So when I will update this particular column, I mean this particular record, so it should be increased by 30%. So it should be increased by 8,000 plus 30% is 2,400. So it should be 10,400, right? Something like that. It will be updated here because this is less than 20,000. Okay, 70,000. This is 10%, guys. So this is more than 50,000, which means here, right? More than 50,000, which means 10% only we have to increase. So this will be increased by 70,000 only. Okay. So this will be okay, not 70,000, 7,000, guys. Okay, 10%. So 77,000. This will be updated. Okay, something like that. Okay. So let's see that how does it work, and we have to write the SQL statement, okay, based on these conditions. Okay, let's go, guys. Okay, let's go to prompt and let me clear it. All right, so I have to write a statement, update what employee, this is the table, set inc, this newly columns I'm going to update, right, which is which does not have any value right now. So I want to update this, set when sorry, case when salary, this is a column, existing column, is less than 20,000. Okay, then what we should do, we should actually increase the salary by 30%. Okay, so salary into 30% of this has to be increased and added. Okay, so this is what we have to do. Now there is another case, not case, guys, I have to say when, that is for second statement. So if salary, that is basically between, right? So 20,000 and 50,000 inclusive. So for this I can use between, salary between 20,000 and 50,000. Okay, okay, all right, 50,000. Then salary should be salary plus salary into 0.2. Else, what I have to do? I have to say salary, I mean everything else, right? Remaining means more than 50,000, then what I have to do? Salary into 10%. Okay, this is how we have to do, guys. Okay, else, and then at the end I have to say end. All right, let's see if this is working. Perfect, this is working, guys. Okay, so let me commit it also. All right, commit, because I am running the DML statement and commit is very important. Now let me query this table and see we are able to get the correct information or not. Yes, guys, we can see the INC salary, which was blank before, this column is populated. Now let's verify one or two. Okay, then we will understand. So for 1,000, let's say this is less than 20,000, and the 30% means 300. Okay, this is correct. Let's verify this. We have verified before, right? So this is 77,000. This is perfect. Now if we see somewhere, acha, let's see this one. Okay, this is supposed to be increased by 20% because 20,000 and 50,000, between 20,000 and 50,000 it should increase by 20%. So this should be 24,000, right? This is perfect, guys. Okay, so this is what I wanted. Okay, so this problem statement is solved. I am sure that you are able to understand. Follow me, guys, because this is how we have to write the uh, you know uh, update statement. Okay, this is the syntax you should follow. So now what I'm doing is I have just said the set this particular column I need to update, so I have to give this column and entire this thing, right? This is basically what exactly we have to update, right? So based on what? So this is case, it is saying case, first case we have to start case, and it should end with end. Okay, case and end, and in between we have to write everything. So like when salary is less than 20,000, when, then this is this, when salary is this, And then what we have to do? We have to do this, okay? When salary between 20,000 and 50,000, then we have to do. Else, we don't have any other condition, okay? So everything else has to be updated with this. Hopefully, this is you are able to follow this, guys, okay? So please, if you are not able to understand, watch 2 or 3 times this video and practice 1 or 2 times. I think you will be good, okay? So let's try to attempt the second question, guys, okay? Second question, it is saying that assume we have the same table, okay, and we have columns. I would like to update the salary column as per HR decision. Now what they want, they are saying they don't want an additional column like INC salary. They want to update the very same column, that is salary itself, okay. So we already have the salary column. I just okay, let me just show you guys, okay. And actually I don't want to remove the INC underscore salary because I want to compare it. I mean, it should be same after that update, right? So same rule, I'm going to apply it. I am going to say that I want to update. I want to check whether this salary is, based on whatever those conditions, and I want to update this very same column only. Okay. So guys, nothing. I am just not going to write it again. I'm going to use the very same query. Okay. I just want to change something here. Okay. What I'm going to change? I'm just going to change here, instead of INC salary, I want to update this very same salary column, because I want to say set salary. When salary is this, I want to update this very same column. Okay, this is updated, guys. Okay, let me try to see. Okay, committed. Now let me show you. Okay, now see, same value here, for same value here and here, here and here, which means everything is perfect. It is working fine, right? So this particular salary and increased salary both are same, right? After the second statement, okay? This is what we were expecting even, okay? So actually now I am actually checking that particular same column, what is the value, and updating the same column, okay? So this is also one of the problem statement, guys, okay? Now third statement is, okay, so this is something, this is DML, guys, okay? We are not adding any column, we are actually just updating it. So DML update, okay. Now the third one is, this is something like I would like to display the salary under an alias column as INC underscore salary. So guys, what we are going to do is, let me do one thing, let me drop this particular INC, okay. So alter table drop column INC underscore salary, okay, because, oh sorry guys, what is that? Drop table, okay, I have to say employee, okay, fine. Now let's see what is happening. See, DDL is auto commit, guys, okay, no need to say commit here, okay. Now I have removed that, okay. What I have removed, I have already removed that particular column underscore INC underscore salary, okay. So just to avoid the confusion. Now guys, on this particular salary, whatever we have it right here, on this particular salary, I would like to display here. So here it is only DQL, guys, right? DQL means data query language, means select statement only. We are not actually creating any physical column in the table. Rather, we want to just display a salary under. I am just creating an alias column, which is just for display purpose only, right? The alias is nothing but it. I'm just showing it on my console output. That's it, right? There is no physical you know columns that I'm going to create. So HR would like to see, before they want to increase it, let's say the salary, they want to see that how does it look, increase salary, how does it look, right? So this is the same rule. There is no rule is same, pretty much same, okay. I just want to fetch this, right? So I don't want to update, I just want to fetch it in this case, okay. So guys, I would like to say select star, okay. I would like to do one thing, I want only employee number, employee number, and and the increased salary, guys, okay. Maybe I can say salary, I want the current salary and then also the increased salary, okay. So I will say, so I want employee number, this one, okay, and then this one, and then increase salary also, that I will write here the statement for that, okay. I'll say case when salary salary is less than, okay guys, I think this rule will be okay, it will be applied anyways, okay, 20,000. Then what will happen? Then I want, what I want? I want salary to be what? Salary to be increased, right? Salary to be increased by salary, one second guys, okay? Salary into 0.3. All right. Now, okay. Again, when, one second guys. I think I need to just go clear this so that you can see it. Clear SCR. Okay. One second, one second. All right, guys, there are some disturbances. Okay. So now the third statement, yeah, third statement, DQL, right? So let's do one thing. Select EMP number, then salary. These two columns I'm taking from the table itself. Okay. The third column that I'm going to take is the alias column, just only for display purpose. Okay. Case when salary is less than 20,000, then what I should do? Salary should be increased by 30%. Okay. So salary into 0.3. Okay. When salary is salary between, guys, right? Okay, between. Okay, fine. Let me write it anyways. When salary between 20,000 and 50,000. Okay, 50,000. Then what should happen? Then salary should be 20% increase. Salary should be increased by 20%. So salary plus salary into 0.2, right? So this is 20%. Else, this is the last case, right? So if more than that, then anything other than that, right? It will be salary, salary plus salary. Okay, guys, sorry. Salary into 0.1, right? So 10%, right? This is what I want, right? And completed. And then I would like to give the name of this particular column is what? I will say inc underscore salary. Okay, maybe I can try like this. Okay, inc underscore salary. Anything. Okay. From what? From employee, right? Because that is the table. Now let's try. Sorry guys, I think there is some problem. What is that? Where is that double S? I think salary, salary. One second. Somewhere it is saying. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, okay, okay. Got it. Here there are two S right here. Okay, fine. Now try. Yes, guys. So this is what I want, right? So this is only for display purpose, right? This particular is the alias column. That's why I'm saying this is alias column, and I am actually just giving a name inc underscore salary here. I can give any name, okay? So maybe I can give revised salary, right? Because this is only for display purpose. Okay, let's see. Yes, guys, okay? So what I'm going to do is here, let's say I will verify one, okay? So for example, this is 13, okay? 13. What is 30% of is 39, right? So 3,900. Okay, 390. And if you are adding 390, it is 690. So this is perfect, 30% increase. Let's verify one, which is maybe this 20% range, right? So 30,000 is already there. And if I want to get the 20% of it, it is 6,000, right? So this is 36,000, which means we are getting everything perfectly only, guys, right? So here we are actually using only D. What is that? So if I show you, we do not have, right? So alias column, no, we do not have this particular column, we are just deriving it, okay, and this will be only within this query, okay. After that it will not be, because this is just a, alias column. That does not exist, this particular column, okay. What is that? Revised salary and all. There is nothing computation here, right? In the previous cases, we have updated that particular, added one column and then updated it, right? But here that is not the case, okay. We are just computing it, and this is just for a view, okay. And then this is how we are actually deriving the, you know, salary or whatever, any kind of statement, right? This is the case statement. This is not only for salary, this can work on any other conditions also, right? So guys, this is what the three problem statement I just wanted to solve here. First one DDL DML, second one is DML, and third one is DQL. Okay, I hope you are able to understand this, guys. And if you are really finding some problem understanding this, I think you must go and watch my videos, very basic videos related to DDL DML. I mean, I have created the whole full list of it, right? So you should go and watch it, and then that will be very clear for you. After that you will be able to attempt it, okay, you will be able to solve it. And guys, other thing is, if you're not able to understand, you have to try at least, write whatever I have written here. You just write one or two times and try to see how it is working, right? And then it will be more clear, because SQL is something will come with practice only. If you're not practicing, then it will be difficult for you to, write any kind of code, right? This is again code, right? So this is programming basically, guys. So you have to make practice, then only you will be able to have a command on it. Okay. So that's what, guys, I wanted to cover in this video, and I hope this is helpful for you, and this is really enriching your knowledge. And that's all, guys, for this video. And you know, I'll see you soon with the next video. Until then, happy learning. God bless you. Bye.